Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Let's do an unboxing on these Mr. Clean Magic erasers. Now the box they come in is very lightweight because these things are extremely lightweight. Okay, so the instructions are wet, squeeze, erase. So let's see how they are. Let's get them wet. Oh yeah, it soaks up water really quick. Now they become very heavy because it's got that water in it. Okay, I've got this scrape on my, let's see how it does. So it definitely holds a lot of water, so you can wring that water out. But then it soaks it all right back up. All right, got a scrape on the wall. Does a pretty good job. Wow, it actually is getting that out. Got some coffee stains right there. And I really squeeze it, I really push on it. And a lot of water comes out when you push on it. That's why they want you to wring it out before you use it. So that's exactly how I would use it. I would get it wet, wring it out, because that way you can really get on there and push and you won't be dripping water down or anything. Doesn't smell or anything. There's what the water looks like. So I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.